In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth with two devices. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be showcasing the process of connecting multiple Bluetooth devices at once. For this video, I chose as an example how to connect two sets of earbuds to the same smartphone. Of course, you can apply the same principle or the same idea to any other device with Bluetooth capabilities, and you can connect multiple of them at once. So for this example that I'm going to be giving you, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device where you will be connecting everything to. So for example, this Samsung smartphone, enable Bluetooth and then set the first device into pairing mode. It is going to appear under the list of available devices and you can select it from the list. Now all that you have to do is repeat the same process with the secondary one. Once you have the first device connected, it's as simple as repeating this process. The secondary device will appear again, and then you just choose it. So let's say, for example, we're connecting two separate earbuds. So once the secondary one is connected, it is going to appear here as well. So you have the first set of earbuds and then the secondary one. Of course, this is also going to work with set of speakers, one set of speakers and one set of earbuds, whatever you have. Once they are connected, for this example here, you just go into media output and you will find the option to enable or disable each individual audio source. And what you can do is you can enable both together. So as long as you have both of these enabled together, you can individually control their audio levels. So each of them will have their individual audio levels and you can control them from here. This is also going to work with any other device with Bluetooth capabilities, but of course the process might differ slightly depending on what you are trying to connect and the options that that specific device supports. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth with two devices. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.